Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 2, Scene 3. Before we get into that, let us remember that François-Marie Araut of the 21st of November, 1694 to the 30th of May, 1778 was known as M. de Voltaire. So this scene is Mahomet, Omar, Hercules, Side, Palmyra, and attendants. Mahomet said, "My friends and fellow laborers, valiant Ali, Murad and Aman, and Hercules, hence to your great work, and my name instruct the people, lead them to the paths of truth. Promised and threatened, let my God alone be worshipped, and let those who will not love be taught to fear him. Side, art thou here?" Side said, "My ever-honored father and king, led by that power divine who guided thee to Mecca's walls, preventing your commands, I came prepared to live or die with thee." Mahomet said, "You should have waited for my orders. He who goes beyond his duty knows it not. I am heaven's minister, and thou art mine. Learn then of me to serve and to obey." Palmyra said, "Forgive, my lord, a youth's impatient ardor. Brought up together from our infant years, the same our fortunes and our thoughts the same. Alas, my life has been a life of sorrow. Long have I languished in captivity, far from my friends, from Side, and from thee. And now at last, when I beheld a ray of comfort shining of me, they, unkindness, blasts my fair hopes and darkens all the scene." Mahomet said, "Palmyra, 'tis enough. I know thy virtues. Let not disturb thee, despite of all my cares, glory and empire, and the weight of war. I will remember thee. Palmyra still lives in my heart, and shares it with mankind. Side shall join troops thou, gentle maid, mayest serve thy God in peace. Fear not, but Zopir." And Palmyra. So I'm not sure what we're referencing here. Because I'm thinking perhaps we're referring to something related to Syria. "My friends and fellow laborers, valiant Ali." Ali was, of course, the cousin who accepted Islam before everybody else, as far as the community outside his family. It said that his wife accepted first, and then Ali. His wife Khadija. And who is this Murad and Ammon? And Hercules. What's that reference supposed to be?